This video will show you how to publish a ViziApps mobile app. First, log into your ViziApps Studio account. After you've tested your app design in preview mode and on a mobile device, you're now ready to publish your app. Clicking on the Publish tab will bring up this window. Here, you'll see the publishing tools on the left, as well as a brief explanation of how to publish your app, with links to help pages that go into further detail. Our tools enable you to publish both web apps and hybrid apps. Web apps are published to URLs for your mobile browser, and hybrid apps are published to app stores or the ViziApps app container. There are three ways of publishing your hybrid app. You can publish your app in stores such as the App Store and Google Play. You can publish through a third-party company that distributes enterprise apps with mobile application management. Or you can use the ViziApps Instant Publisher, which is the ViziApps app container that will contain your published apps. To prepare your app for submission, click on Brand App for App Stores. Here, choose the app you'd like to publish. Enter the name and version of your app, clicking Save after each one. Click on Save Test Design to Publishing Design, which creates a published design version of your app. This separates the published app from your test app so you can keep updating your test app without affecting your published app that your end users will run. Then, upload your app icon and splash image. Verify your branding steps and then click Back. Next, click on Build App for App Stores. Choose which device type you want the build for, either iOS or Android. If you choose Android, then we will build the app file that you can submit to Google Play and email it back to you. If you choose iOS, then fill in the form of Apple certificates and we will build the app file that you can submit to the Apple App Store. The same file you get for submission to app stores can also be used to submit to the third-party company that distributes enterprise apps. Note that when you choose Publish App Instantly and you get to this same screen, it's the same as the previous screens, except you won't have the option to upload a splash image since the ViziApps container has its own. With this option, you don't need to submit your app to the App Store. Just click Publish and your end users can run the app right away. If you choose to publish your web app, fill out the Published App form and click Publish to get the published URL that you can use in any mobile browser on any device. The process of changing your app design and pushing out an update to your users will happen automatically. Just change the version number in the branding step and click on Save Test Design to Publish Design and click Publish. There are more detailed how-tos in ViziApps' extensive help library. Simply click on Help at the top of the page and search for Publishing. And find more helpful videos at ViziApps.com and on YouTube. Before you know it, you'll be creating and publishing apps like a pro with ViziApps.